Hello, welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hey everyone, if this is your first time here, welcome to the family.
Hello, I would like to open a bank account, please.
Would you like a savings account or a current account?
A current account, please. Thank you.
And today is a really important lesson.
Tom, I'm actually a little bit nervous about today's topic.
Wait, why? What happened?
Okay, so last week I had to go to the bank by myself in English, and I had no idea what to say.
Oh no, what did you do?
I just smiled and nodded at everything the bank worker said, and then I signed something, and I still don't know what it was.
Oh, Lily, you can't just sign things you don't understand.
I know. That is why today's lesson is so important.
Exactly. Today we are learning English for the bank. Every word, every phrase, every sentence you need, we've got you covered.
Whether you are opening a bank account, using an ATM, or talking to a bank worker, after this video, you will feel confident.
And if you're learning English right now, hit that subscribe button. We post new lessons every day, and we want you in our family.
Okay, let's go.
But first, I have a question for you, our amazing viewers.
Ooh, yes! Write your answer in the comments below. We read every single one.
Here is today's question. Do you have a bank account? What was the first thing you bought with your own bank card?
My first purchase with my own card was a large pizza. I remember I was so proud of myself.
Mine was a video game. I was 12 years old, and I felt like a millionaire.
Tell us your story in the comments. We are waiting.
Okay, so Lily, let's pretend. It's Monday morning. I walk into a bank. What do I see?
You see a big, clean room. There's a long counter at the front. Behind the counter, there are bank workers. We call them tellers.
Tellers, okay. And I walk up to the teller and I say,
Hello, I would like to open a bank account, please.
and the teller gives me a form to fill in. There's my name, my address, my ID number.
And then she asks, would you like a savings account or a current account?
And I had no idea what those words meant the first time someone asked me that.
Me neither. I said, yes, please. And she looked at me like,
Like you were an alien?
exactly like I was an alien. So today, no more alien faces. We explain everything.
Before we go into all the vocabulary, let's talk about one small but important grammar point.
This will help you speak politely at the bank, and polite English always works better.
When we make a request at the bank, we use I would like to, or the short form, I'd like to.
This is more polite than just saying, I want. Listen to the difference.
I want to open an account.
I'd like to open an account, please.
Can you hear the difference?
I'd like to sounds warm and respectful. Banks love this. People love this.
So when you speak English at the bank or anywhere, try to use I'd like to and always add please.
Perfect. Now, let's get into the real vocabulary.
Okay, we have 10 key bank words and phrases for you today. Are you ready?
Grab a notebook, grab a pen. Here we go. Word number 1, bank account.
A bank account is a place where you keep your money safely at the bank. The bank holds it for you.
There are two main types. First, a savings account. This is where you save money. You put money in and you try not to take it out.
Key word, try.
Yes, try. The second type is a current account, also called a checking account in American English. This is for everyday use. You pay your bills, you buy things, you receive your salary here.
When I moved to a new city for university, the very first thing I did was open a current account. I remember sitting across from the bank worker, completely nervous, holding my passport and trying to remember the words in English.
Ah, that's so relatable.
The bank worker was very kind. She walked me through everything slowly.
And that's what bank workers do. Don't be afraid to ask them to slow down or repeat something.
Word number 2. Two very important verbs: deposit and withdraw.
To deposit means to put money into your account. To withdraw means to take money out of your account.
Think of it like a swimming pool. Deposit, you pour water in. Withdraw, you take water out.
I like that image.
Example sentence: I'd like to deposit $200, please.
And I'd like to withdraw $50, please.
Tom, tell them what happened to you at the ATM last year.
Oh, no. Okay. So I meant to deposit money into my account, but I pressed the wrong button and I withdrew money instead.
No!
I took out my own money. I put it in and then I took it back out. And I stood there confused, wondering where my money went.
This is the funniest story. He called me at 9 in the morning, panicking.
Know your deposit from your withdraw, everyone, please. Word 3. ATM.
An ATM is the machine outside or inside the bank where you can take out cash, check your balance, and sometimes deposit money without talking to a person.
ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine, but nobody says that. Everyone just says ATM.
You put your card in, type your PIN, that's your secret number, and then you choose what you want to do.
Lily, have you ever had a problem at an ATM?
Yes, the machine ate my card once.
What?
I put my card in, the machine made a strange noise, and then it just kept the card. It didn't give it back.
What did you do?
I went inside the bank and explained. The teller said my card was expired. It was too old, and that's why the machine kept it. She gave me a new one.
So, important lesson. Always check your card's expiry date. That's the date printed on the front of your card. When that date passes, your card stops working.
Word 4. Balance.
Your balance is the amount of money currently in your account. How much money do you have right now? That's your balance.
I'd like to check my balance, please.
You can check your balance at the ATM, on your phone, or by asking the teller.
And this is very important. Always know your balance before you spend money. Trust me.
Lily is speaking from experience.
I once bought concert tickets thinking I had enough money. My balance said, no, I did not.
Did you get the tickets?
No, my card was declined in front of everyone at the ticket counter.
Aw, Lily.
It was a valuable English and life lesson. Check your balance.
Word 5. Transfer.
To transfer money means to move money from one account to another. You send money from your account to someone else's account.
I'd like to transfer $100 to my friend, please.
These days, most people transfer money using a phone app. It's very fast and easy.
My little sister lives in another city. Every month, I transfer money to her for her rent. It takes about 30 seconds on my phone.
Aw, Tom, that's so sweet of you.
She's my sister. I'd do anything for her.
The key vocabulary here: you are the sender, you send the money. The other person is the receiver. They receive the money.
Word 6. Loan.
A loan is money that the bank gives you, but you must pay it back with extra money called interest.
Banks give loans for big things: buying a house, buying a car, starting a business.
An example is, I'd like to apply for a loan, please.
Loans can be very helpful, but you must always make sure you can pay them back. Read every document carefully.
And if you don't understand something, ask. It's always okay to ask.
Which brings us to word 7, interest rate.
This sounds scary, but let's make it simple.
When the bank gives you a loan, they charge extra money for lending it to you. That extra money is called interest. The interest rate is the percentage they charge.
What is the interest rate on this loan?
Think of it like borrowing a pencil from a friend, but your friend says, "You can borrow my pencil," But when you give it back, also give me one eraser. The eraser is the interest.
Tom's analogies are always very creative.
Thank you. I work hard on them.
Word 8, exchange rate.
This is the value of one country's money compared to another country's money.
For example, how many euros is $1? That number is the exchange rate.
What is today's exchange rate for dollars to euros?
When I traveled abroad for the first time, I went to the bank to exchange my money. I said, "I'd like to exchange dollars for euros, please," and they gave me a paper showing the exchange rate.
Did you get a good rate?
I had no idea if it was good or not. I just nodded and said, "Thank you."
We all start somewhere. Word 9, statement.
A bank statement is a document, on paper or on your phone, that shows all the money that came into your account and went out of your account, usually for 1 month.
Can I get a copy of my bank statement, please?
Your statement shows the date, the amount, and what the money was for. It's like a diary of your money.
Many places, like rental companies or government offices, will ask you for a bank statement to prove your income, so it's very useful.
And word 10, customer service.
If you have a problem with your bank, your card is blocked, there's a wrong charge, you forgot your PIN, you go to customer service.
You can visit the bank, call the customer service number, or chat online.
Hello, I have a problem with my account. Can I speak to someone in customer service, please?
I once had a charge on my account that I did not recognize. I was worried. I called customer service and explained the situation.
What happened?
It turned out it was a subscription I had forgotten about. They helped me cancel it immediately.
Customer service workers are there to help you. Don't be shy. Call them. Okay, everyone. Vocabulary review time. Repeat after us, out loud. Do not be shy. Your English gets stronger every time you say the words.
We'll say the word, then the example sentence. Ready?
Bank account.
Bank account.
I'd like to open a bank account, please. One more time. Bank account.
Deposit. Withdraw.
Deposit. Withdraw. I'd like to deposit $50. I'd like to withdraw $20.
Deposit. Withdraw. Say it again.
Balance.
Balance.
Can I check my balance, please? Balance.
Transfer.
Transfer. I'd like to transfer money to my friend.
Transfer. Say it loud.
Statement.
Statement.
Can I get a copy of my bank statement, please? You are doing amazing, really.
Seriously, if you've been repeating these words, you are already better than you were 10 minutes ago. Okay, let's review everything we learned today. These are your bank words in English.
Number 1, bank account, where you keep your money, savings account or current account.
Number 2, deposit means put money in. Withdraw means take money out.
Number 3, ATM, the machine where you use your card and your PIN.
Number 4, balance, the amount of money in your account right now.
Number 5, transfer, move money from your account to another account.
Number 6, loan, money the bank lends you that you must pay back with interest.
Number 7, interest rate, the extra percentage you pay on a loan.
Number 8, exchange rate, the value of one currency compared to another.
Number 9, statement, the document showing all your money in and out.
Number 10, customer service, the people who help you solve problems at the bank.
And our grammar point, use I'd like to when making requests at the bank. Polite, clear, and natural.
You now have everything you need to walk into a bank and feel confident in English.
I just want to say, learning a new language is hard. It takes courage to try, especially at places like banks where the words feel so serious.
Oh, but look at you. You sat through this whole lesson, you repeated the words, you're doing it.
Every word you learn is one more step forward, and we are so proud of you.
Don't forget, leave your answer in the comments. What was the first thing you bought with your bank card? We want to know.
And if this lesson helped you, please like this video. It helps more people find our channel and join this amazing family.
Smiling. Share this video with a friend who is learning English. They will thank you later.
See you next time on Daily English Talk. Keep learning, keep growing.